maxed at 13 miles an hour. This is terrible. I remember growing up, had a three-wheeler. My buddy had one. We go down and ride the river. Everything's pretty cool. Then we go to the top of the mountain and ride around. And his three-wheeler's always gasping for air. Something about the jets and the carburetor. Had to rejet it every time we went to higher elevation. And I got this thing, I thought, oh no, I hope we're not going through that again. Anyway, but check out what I did, what I found out. Flashing the seatbelt alarm up here, and it visibly says, hey, put on your seatbelt. I'm on the hills, I don't want to put on the seatbelt. It's like that, if I'm only going 13, why do I need a seatbelt? But